Hello there. This time I want to build a tool, CLI tool, that will allow me to listen blog posts. The basic, the need is behind this that I have blog posts that I want to read, but most of the time I forget to read them or I had other stuff to do. And there are lots of spare time I have, like while washing the dishes, while going to work, or walking. I can listen to these blog posts. So that's what I want to do. There are features like in macOS, like you can create speech, but the generated speech is not that good, and I want it to be like stored as an MP3 file, so I can just put it to my phone. I can send it via email, like this stuff. The cool part is, while I was researching this idea, I encountered this Kokoro. It is a text-to-speech model, and the coolest part is it can run fully locally on my machine using CPU. And I like the quality of it. Like, here is a sample, you can listen.
The 2026 Winter Olympics, Italian, Olimpiadi Invernali del 2026, officially the XXV Winter Olympic Games, and commonly known as Milano Cortina 2026, is an international multi-sport event currently taking place from...
So this is amazing for my needs, and you have lots of voices, and as I learned, you can fine-tune or add your own voice, and it can do it, as I understand, but even the default available voices are amazing. And I found a fast API container for this and deployed it locally, as you can see, and it has a Swagger already built it. So we have OpenAPI docs. Basically, I will give these docs to Claude Code and tell the needs, and hopefully we will get something out of it. That's my main goal today. So I just created super basic README that explains the project a bit. So yes, like I want to also add the usage here, usage example, like content reader, and the site URL like this. This should be the tools itself, and this should generate an MP3 file as a result. Use Kokoro details. I want to use the, what is the model, the name, AF hot. AF hot for the voice. Yeah, that's all. And also we gave it the OpenAPI JSON file. Now I have Claude Code ready here. Let's run it. Read and understand README. I want you to understand this project needs briefly and ask me questions to understand it more. So also, okay, we're gonna use Opus Plan for this. So before, I want to set the model Opus Plan. Okay, yeah, let's type again. Please read readme.md file and try to understand it. I want to use Golang for the programming language. I have Kokoro TTS deployed on my machine using Fast API, and you can find the API documentation in the README file. So let's see. Yeah, I think it can do it. What else we want to tell? I want you to keep this simple and make it lightweight because this will be running locally on my machine. I am trying to give it the details that I like. Okay, what else we need to tell the cloud? This tool will be a CLI. That's something else we can share. Make sure to have unit tests, and they need to be pass all green. Kind of stuff that I explain. Okay, I think we can give it a go. Let's, yeah. Okay, let's give it a go. Hopefully it will get the idea behind it. Okay, there is fetcher, extractor, and TTS. Okay, yeah, because it's need to fetch the site contents. Yeah, install Go, please. Yeah, we have a fetcher. I wonder how it will handle the content because I don't want it to read the HTML text. You can see the to-dos. Okay, initialize Go module, implement URL fetcher, implement content extractor. Now it implements the Kokoro TTS, CLI interface, and running all the tests. Yeah, and run a test of the sample URL. That makes sense. Oh, Wikipedia blocks the content, the fetch requests. So it decided to add a user agent header, which makes sense. Oh, and generating speech, which is amazing. I also I can accept the speed of this speech model because we don't need the recording immediately. So like if it takes a minute or even a half an hour, I'm okay with it. What I want to do is like I will run this on my server and it can generate lots of recordings each night and it can use my RSS feeds that I follow, so I can receive an email every morning with these recordings. And it can even create like a news like format for me, just one recording that contains the brief information about each content. Okay, it's waiting for the speech to generate. I hope it's not trying to generate the speech with only one chunk. Like if it can separate the content into multiple chunks, as I understand, the Kokoro can create much better job. Okay, we got an error. Context deadline exceeded. You might want to chunk down huge content to smaller pieces so Kokoro can handle it. I think I can bypass this because it tries to generate speech again. Instead of wasting time, I just said send my queued message, so it will now get it. My next project can be like speeding up the recording of the progress that Claude made, because we kind of just wait here. So if I can build a tool that allows me to speed up these parts of the video, that's another good use. Oh, okay, this time it's generating speech, but it said like processing chunks 1 and 18. So as I understand, it created 18 chunks and processed them chunk by chunk, which is amazing. Great, let's see the to-dos. Okay, it's testing. It moved to next chunk, which is good news. I wonder where it works, so let's see. I don't see any files. Wonder where it stores them. Okay, another good idea. I don't want to wait it. I don't want to wait you. Can you give me the command that I can run this testing manually? Let's get a command from it so we can run this manually from the terminal. Okay, let's build the application first. Good, no errors. We get the content reader binary. Nice. Then what? Let's try this. Oh wait, let's as I remember, this is much shorter. Yeah, it's just the one chunk. Okay, it's generating speech. And then if we are happy with the speech, we can try the longer one. I might need to add a loading indicator so we can know like it's really doing something. Oh, okay. We have this. Can we see? Yeah, we can see it. Now I will open this in the Finder. So projects content reader, and in here we have the file. Can I just click it? Just click the. I don't want music. Oh, okay, that's my bad. We don't need Apple Music. Can just use the QuickTime player.
Claude, speed up responses with fast mode. New research preview from Anthropic today. Claude, speed up responses with fast.
Okay, before here, I would like to move this to side and open the content itself so we can compare. It's okay. This is the blog post that I gave the tool. Now I will start the recording on the right.
Mode. New research preview from Anthropic today. You can now access a faster version of their frontier model Claude Opus 4.6 by typing fast in Claude Code, but at a cost that's 6x the normal price. Opus is usually 5.
Okay, this goes really great. Now while it's doing that, let's find a shorter something little bit longer than this. I like this guy. So does he have any? Okay, this will work. Let's see. While we read the results, I wanted to work on it. Okay, 3 chunks, much better. Let's continue.
$5 million input and $25 million output. The new fast mode is $30 million input and $150 million output. There's a 50% discount until the end of February 16th, so only a 3x multiple. Before then, how much faster is it? The link documentation doesn't say, but on Twitter Claude say. Our teams have been building with a 2.5x faster version of Claude Opus 4.6. We're now making it available as an early experiment via Claude Code and our API. Claude Opus 4.5 had a context limit of 200,000 tokens. 4.6 has an option to increase that to 1 million at 2x the input price, $10/m, and 1.5x the output price, $37.50/m, once your input exceeds 200,000 tokens. These multiples hold for fast mode too. So after Feb 16th, you'll be able to pay a hefty $60/m input and $225/m output for Anthropic's fastest.
Wow, okay, it's cut it here, but I thought it will continue to like these recent articles. So this is amazing to have. Like, it got the job done, I guess. So let's see how it goes with the other chunk. So okay, this is the other post that I uploaded. I gave this, so now it's okay. It generated it. Let's see. Okay, we have this now. Let me open it. Go to the side. Open the content. Yeah.
TLDR, Ghosty plus Claude Code plus minimal tooling equals maximum productivity. Less is more. It's time for an update on my workflow, which keeps evolving. After going all in on VS Code, I went fully back to Ghosty for my main setup, with VS Code on the side to look up code and cursor GPT-5 for reviews, sometimes also the CLI. I tried Zed, just can't deal with a terminal that looks like this. Still extremely happy with my Dell UltraSharp U4025 QW3840X1620 makes 4 Claude instances plus Chrome all visible without moving windows. VS Code's terminal is too unstable, had plenty freezes when pasting in large amounts of text. Nothing beats Ghosty. Gemini can be great, but its edit tools are too messy.
Okay, it is missing the titles. That's one note I can take. So let's take the notes. Can add the issues here and add a checkbox so we can track them. Heading titles are missing in the generated audio. That's one thing that comes to my mind.
So using it less and less. GPT-5 for reviewing plans works even better than Gemini. Yes, all of these work on main. I tried the whole worktree setup, just slows me down. If you pick areas of work carefully, you can work on multiple areas without much cross-pollination. Claude often makes a mess, but it's equally great in refactoring and cleaning up. Important to do both to not create too much technical debt. Planning and context management. Having the initial
Oh, now it's get heading, so interesting.
topic in the status line plus session ID gist. In case I need to switch accounts or restart a session is super helpful. Using plan mode and iterating is key. Smaller tasks I do right away, bigger I write in a file and let GPT-5 review. Often I manage with small prompts. Sometimes I brainstorm, and it's amazing how much sense agents can make out of my incoherent thoughts.
Okay, let's
when I'm not refactoring,
move a bit. So I think it's doing really great job. Let's see the bottom side of it.
5 takes forever and doesn't share its thinking, so it's hard to steer.
Here.
GPT-5 also is much more literal in how prompt rate limits will go into effect August 28, and that'll definitely suck. Guess I'll just pay up. No perfect alternative for now.
Wow. I think the tool is amazing. It's literally stopped on the bottom where I will stop. Even this version is, I think, production ready. Some of them are missing, some of them are working. Okay, I like this. Let's see. Oh, let's initialize a Git repository. And I would like to add a git ignore, and I want to ignore all the mp3 files here. And I think we can just submit it. Can we? See the chunker. Oh, okay, also add the content reader binary. Fetcher, extractor, TTS. Okay, this is amazing. Let's let the cloud commit it. Please commit all the staged changes. Okay, we are letting it commit. I like the way it generates commit messages, so that's why I done this. And also I will request it to update the readme and generate a cloud.md so we can have some sort of memory that the agent can know. Nothing to work. Okay. Please update the readme. It will update the readme. And then I will next initialize a cloud.md. Yeah, we are on the main branch. Let's create a new repo. Call it content reader. I just picked this name. I have no idea what I'm doing about. Create a repository. I will make it public so you can see the code. Let's add the remote. Let's see what changed. Let's see the readme. Content reader. Lightweight CLI tool. Okay, yeah. Features, prerequisites. Okay, that's amazing to list the requirements, because nobody can get it work without this. Okay, FFmpeg, which is nice. I like the cloud agents because it tries to use what is available in the system. Like, unlike Cursor, Cloud uses like available commands in your terminal, like grep and ripgrep, but Cursor, on the other hand, tries to index all the database. So I like the approach it's used FFmpeg because there are lots of projects that use FFmpeg, so likely your system will have it, so we don't need any other dependency. Okay, it shows how to download it. Testing, known issues. Yeah, that's good. I want to generate a license for it. Can it do? Can you add MIT license with my name on it? Let's see. I usually use the GitHub's community section. Does it know my name? Let's see. Oh, it's get my name using git config, which is amazing. Okay, 2026. I wonder where it picked this license. Okay, it's updated the readme. I think it will commit. Yeah, it committed. Okay, let's see git status. I think commit git log. Yeah. Oh, it's also created another commit for the readme updates. Let's see the license. I think it looks like the real MIT license, so I think I am safe. Okay, let's see the readme again. Okay, let's push it. Oh, git push. Now we should have the content reader available. Yeah, we have the Claude as contributor. Okay, I think it is done. Let's try one more thing, or I can. Yeah, whatever. I can try it on my own. Yeah, that's what we did in 32 minutes. I will shorten the video probably, so that's the real time that it took to do all that. The future looks exciting.